Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D Models section and select the object for our tutorial. The library contains a great variety of high-quality 3D mockups, and it is updated weekly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to customize the 3D mockup of a beanie hat. Let's select the 3D model from the vast Provisual library. I think this 3D model looks really beautiful and photorealistic too. Let's create a new project. This is how our default model looks like. Let's start editing from the hat. Let's apply another color to this material. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette or by entering the color code manually. Like this. Now let's customize the material a little. Time to edit the mannequin. Let's change the material of the mannequin. Good. We have adjusted all the materials of our beanie hat mockup. See how fast it is with Provisual. Now it's time to add the design to the hat. To add the design, click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some images for our hat. Let's add the first design element. In this window, we see the editor, where we can move and modify our design. Here, in the left window, the position of the design on the 3D model is displayed in real time. Now let's add the design to the hat. To do this, click on the Add Image button. We'll place our design based on the UV map. Excellent. Saving the design. Let's add some design to the mannequin too. Again, click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. Place the design following the UV map. Great. Now let's make this design more vibrant. Let's select the layer with our design so that it becomes active. Then, we will change the material of our design to make it stand out. This is it. Looks sporty and stylish. Next, we will change the settings of this material that we've just added. Let's make our 3D mockup even more exclusive and special. In the environment settings, we will change the rim light settings. Like this. Our hat presentation has become so catchy. This is awesome. We only need a great background. Provisual has so many great preset background options. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here, we can select the desired colors and also set the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you. Or add your own image. Let's add one. Excellent. You can enable moving lights to see how the light interacts with the shape and the surface of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Saving our project. After you've completed your design, you can share it by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Share it with colleagues, friends, or clients. And that's the end of our tutorial on creating a beanie hat design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.